Yakwa Asante Mantemo so for so ye Dr. Franka Mwakohine and ode kokobo mo bia sa hunidie enkoso entena Asante no bibia ode fi be dokro hono de mrano anu obedi saniete
shops so that the water can freely flow, but hard debris may be gather in front of their shops, so that anyone who is not able to keep their shop and get the refuse in the drains will not find the drains moving downstream to go and block elsewhere. So we're working to make sure that together with stakeholders, we all agree and find a long-lasting solution to this. There has equally been a suggestion on my table concerning the deployment of the sanitation officers, graduates from the School of Hygiene, so that they can serve as compliance officers to make sure that they do the right thing. You pay. We can even generate funds from there. I know of the concern of how there can be leakages when such levies are introduced, among others. But once we all put our heads together that we want to do this to make sure we clean the city, we make sure we restore the garden city, I'm sure with that unity of purpose we should be able to achieve it.